we are studying the pieces and the tetrapoda. We know that pieces, we have studied a lot of pieces and its character features. I have drawn many pieces in these groups and that have a two chamber and the different types of the body structures and have a board shapes. Body means streamlined bodies was present there. So these animals also. Now we will go to the study of the next class. That class was tetrapoda. In tetrapoda, first class we will study that is called amphibia. In amphibia, these are the animals which lives in both places, land and water. That is why it is said to be the amphibia. First of all, we will write the headings and then one by one. So we will see with the help of structures. We will try to understand you well. Okay. So here is the section uh, tetrapoda. Tetrapoda. Tetra means four. Poda means four. Four-footed animals is included here, so it is said to be the tetrapoda. I hope you understand the tetra and poda. Tetrapoda means these are the section tetrapoda. And tetrapoda first class it is divided into four class. First class, second, third, and the fourth. It is contains four class. First amphibia, second reptilia, third aves, and fourth mammalia. First we will take the amphibia. Amphibia. Okay. External structures. First we will take the external structures, then after we will describe its characteristics. So here is the external. Suppose that we are going to draw here. Here. These are the structures and the external features that will told you. External features of the animals, and here is the body structures that can be here folded into parts and then it can convert into another structures also this, and then afterwards it will go in another sensitive structures. That structures is also divided into two main parts. That is two parts. This like this structures, and then after this can be and like divided. I hope so you watching it clearly, and this division will be like this, and then further it will say these parts will also covered uh, this structural features, and then furthermore we will draw here this structures. So that's yes, and then one fingers is here, second finger is here, third finger, fourth fingers, and the third finger is here. This is fourth fingers, and these fingers is larger than the structures, and the wavy figure is we can see its wavy figures. Okay, so wavy figures we can see it's we are drawing, so you will see it's clearly that's a baby figures can be seen, and then we will draw here the another part of the second footed parts. These are the structures, and then we will draw here another part is here, so that is we increase these parts. can see, but it's not wavy in features. And so we will draw here some the next. Here is the eyes. We can see that eyes is can be draw here. These are the eyes of the frogs, and another word is also we can see here, and further it can be like this. And if we are drawing here, sorry, drawing here, these are the figure of the frogs, and that's okay. Well treated frogs is we have drawn here, so that so we can these are the and these are the tympanics membrane is also available here. Tympanic, and so these are the nostrils and other parts is also available. Yes, we will so describes here, sir. These are the structures of the frogs, and we will start labeling these frogs structures, and one by one. So this is the head parts. This is a head head. No neck is available. This is trunk. No tail is available. Posterior. Hind limb, and this is forelimb. Okay, these are said to be the these are the structures that is said to be done. Said to be the four limbs have the pentadactyl types. Pentadactyl finger means 5 finger abrasive for hind limbs, and that is also said to be the hind limb. These are hind limbs, and here is the nostril, snout. This is eye and mouth, and tympanic. This is tympanics. These are the structures of the frogs that is said to be the rana tigrina or frogs. We have done the one structure here, so with the help of that, so we will describe so that you can understood it well, and another part also. And now we will discuss about these structures here, so in a comment, so that says characteristic features of these animals, so that you can understood it well. The characters of amphibia. Here is the characteristics of these animals. So one by one, so we will discuss so that you can understood is the first. If we are discussing one by increasing manner, so we will see that the first group live on Earth. So first group of animals. These are first group of animals live on both land and water. Both live land and water, both land and water, and that is why it is said to be the amphibia. And they secrete some mucus, secretes mucus from skin, get moist. Scale is absent. Scale is not present here in these animals, so scale is absent. So cold-blooded animals. These are cold-blooded animals. Three-chambered heart. Three-chamber heart is present here. In a previous subset, pieces have a two-chamber only heart that was available there, and three-chamber heart is present as body, as have a next body have head and trunk, tail or tail or we can say that's tail or necks, may or may or may not. It's a depend upon the animals that which have some animals have a tails, some have not a tails. So tails have or not, have not. It's a depend upon the animals. So respiration through the gills, respiration through by gills in larva and by lungs in adult and nostril is present here in these animals, so that is through nostril they can respiration is here, so lungs are lungs is animals in watery eggs reproduction. So okay, life cycle completed in water lays eggs, that is why it is called oviparous egg laying animals, that is why it is said with the oviparous animals. And these animals on the basis of that, these animals are viviparous. So four limbs, it's have a four limbs, back five finger present called pentadactyl types, fingers in back. Here is the pentad, five fingers, and I think in the four limbs we will see that's only four fingers. So a pentadactyl types of finger is available. Yes, and the legs of and finger have a waves present for swimmings. So swimming and also moving from one place to another. So hoppings, swimming and hoppings. Okay, and example, if we take the example, first example we have draw here, so that is called Rana tigrina or frog, Indian frog, bufo, that is toad, and hyla, that is tree frog, and also salamanders, salamander. These are etc. These are animals. That was the that are the example of the class amphibia. Okay, so here we have discussed all the characteristic features, and with the help of these characteristic features, I hope you will you have understood its all parts. If you want to see clear image, you will also see the clear image. With the help of clear image, we can we are trying our best so that you can understood its all parts and all value. And so here is the structural features we are going to draw here, sorry, we had drawn here, and I have given the characteristic features of these animals one by one, so that you can understood its wells, and example is given here below the bottom levels. So here is the Rana tigrina, frogs, bufo, so frogs before toads, and hyla is given here, so hyla, and these are the frogs, and salamanders is also available here, and so written here, so with the help of these written figures, and I said there is not a so sufficient place, so that's by means of which I can give and draw all those animals figures. So here I have given Indian frogs, and with the help of these Indian frogs we will try here our best, so that you can understood its all parts and all images one by one. So thank you very much for coming. So once again, okay, bye bye.